and welcome to the Kids Podcast TV. Yeah, TV is a channel. I keep forgetting about that, but whatever. So on this, we're gonna play with Nerf guns, and on today's video, well, I'm gonna upload 2 videos I think, if I can. I'm gonna play with Clark, my friend right here. Nerf guns. We're gonna shoot each of these bottles, and when both of them fall, example like that. We're gonna fill it up with warm water. The first person that can fill their bottle first wins. But since it's gonna be filled more, it's gonna be harder to fall. So yeah, my turn first. Actually, this is the second round if you don't know. My first one,
Epic fail, Jin. Epic fail, Jin.
You know what? I'm gonna get the other gun. Now, this is a heavy duty gun. I don't actually know how to operate this thing.
Just shoot it too. Epic fail too, Jin. There's no bullet yet.
No. I quit. Hey, Clark, try getting closer. Ha! How weak is this? Is your thing broken? I was actually expecting a different outcome from this video. Okay, it's my turn again. So, on this turn, I'm gonna shoot it much closer, as you can see right now. And it still doesn't fall. You know what?
Good job, Jin.
I shot it to the Nerf gun. Oh, I didn't shoot it. I just bashed it like a boss. You know what? I'm gonna bash another one.
Good job, Jin.
Okay.
You're next in the stage 2.
Well, so the outcome wasn't very that good. I mean, if you can see the other guy, this is what I did. I rage quit it. Oh no, a bullet shot. So since that didn't work out, I'm still gonna release it to public, but I'm gonna probably make another video later, one video, or